The Next Academy is a week-long experience for students to discover, explore, and connect to all various possibilities available to them. Through mentorship, hands-on projects, and industry tours, we prepare our students for the future. By equipping them with essential soft skills and direct industry insights, we ensure our students are prepared to excel in their future careers, and here's why it matters.
I joined the Next Academy because as someone who did wait to go to college, I kind of didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. Academy was a great way for me to see inside of businesses and get to talk to other professionals, for me to really understand what the next steps can be and what the future can look like for my part.
I definitely think I was able to see more career options, especially with all of the speakers coming in and talking about their own career paths. It really made me open my eyes to a lot of new careers.
I believe everyone should take opportunities like this because it just helps you get exposure.
We recognize the invaluable role played by our industry professionals. Our aim is to connect students with industry professionals across various sectors, providing them with real-world insights and hands-on experiences. Their collaboration is essential to our mission.
I met a lot of different people, whether it be sales reps or engineers, aerospace engineers, software engineers, computer scientists, and whether they face rejections or failures in their builds, one thing that they all had in common was that they persevered through it, and that's something that I'll keep in mind and embody as I progress through my own career.